So welcome to the September edition of the top 3 movie streaming websites that you can enjoy absolutely free, which are all 100% legal and don't require any kind of registration to access all of this great content. Now, the first one in the list is actually youtube.com. We can see here directly on youtube.com, we have a dedicated section for movies and TV. I can click on that. But we can see they have a dedicated section here for free with ads, which, as the name implies, will give you access to hundreds and thousands of free movies. Let's click on that. And here we have it, guys. We now have a big collection of free movies that I can watch directly on YouTube. Here, for example, we can see is The Maze Runner. I can click on that. Of course, you may see an advert, which I'm seeing now, only for a couple of seconds. And after that's finished, I click on skip. And I'm now inside that movie, and that's streaming absolutely fine. And everything on YouTube will be in high definition, and you won't have any issues with stuttering or buffering or anything like that, as YouTube definitely have the bandwidth to handle everybody trying to access all of this great free content. So that's the first one in the list, which is youtube.com. Next up, we have Sling Freestream, and you can see as soon as you get to the website, they give you the option that you can now stream 500 plus channels of news, movies, popular TV shows directly from their website. I can click on stream free, and you can see, guys, no login, no registration. As soon as this loads, you are now inside the Sling Freestream interface. I now have access to all of this great content in here. There is a classic time cop with Jean-Claude Van Damme. Keep scrolling down, lots of different movies, lots of different TV shows. Here, for example, we can see is Point Break. I can click on that, give that a second, click on watch now. And you can see, guys, no pop-ups, no interruptions, no registration. In less than 5 seconds, I'm now streaming this movie, and that's working great. I can forward that a bit, and that's working great. Let's back out of that. And you'll see, guys, this really does have one of the largest collections of free movies and TV shows you'll find on any official website. Lots of your favorite genres, from black entertainment to comedy to horror to romance, news, sports content, true crime, new channels, lots of great things. So that's the next one in the list, which is Sling Freestream. Next one in the list is called the CW, and we can see this website supports series, movies, and even sports. We can see the trending now section. We can see recently added. Then we have different sections for celebrating black voices, all of the drama, let the truth prevail, you should be watching, odysseys and adventures. Let's say, for example, we want to look at this Party of Five. I can click on that, give that a second. We can see we have multiple seasons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And without pressing anything, we are taken straight into episode 1, the pilot for this particular series. So works really well, really fast. And I didn't see any adverts before this episode started. I can also click on movies at the top. And we can now see a big list of movies, all of your favorite genres, different categories, from action to adrenaline rush to family movies, holiday movies, all of that stuff. For a quick test, let's look at this 24, just to show you that it's not just one TV series or one movie, because this is an official licensed website. All of the content will work. It'll work straight away, and you won't see any kind of buffering whilst enjoying this content. And I'm taken straight into that movie, 24 Hours to Live. And of course, I've got all of the controls here. I can forward that to the middle just to show you that it's working properly. That's working great. The next one in the list is Plex TV. So a massive website. They have lots of live TV channels, but they also have a great section for free movies and TV. So I can click on that, and we're now taken into a massive library. All of your favorite movies like Reservoir Dogs, like Chain Got a Gun, Black Stories, binge-worthy shows, romance, most popular, recently added. Here, for example, we can see, for a quick test, we have Lion. Let's click on that. We can see exactly who stars in this particular movie. It's a drama, it's a biography. I can click on play, and literally within 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.5, we are straight in there. So that's working great. I can forward that a bit. and we are taken straight into that. Let's close that down. So lots of different content, lots of different categories, different sections. I can also click on live TV and I can now see the entire program guide. So hundreds and hundreds of channels with that fully working program guide. And I can go ahead and enjoy all of this content directly from here. So next up we have voodoo.com, and as you can see directly on the homepage, they have a massive library of absolutely free to watch content. There is a section here on the homepage where you'll see some premium content, stuff that you have to pay for. But again, as we're only interested in the free content, I can click on free here. Now, for example, I can watch free movies, free comedies, horror, TV, new releases, top 200. Here, for example, we can see this season of The Witch. Let's click on that. It says it's free with adverts. I can click on that, click on play, and in a couple of seconds, we are straight into that broadcast. And that's working great. Now, Voodoo does have one of the largest free libraries. So if you're looking for the most content, the most movies, the most TV shows, definitely give voodoo.com a go. And again, all of this content without requiring any registration, I think it's definitely worthwhile checking out. You got all-time favorites, hidden gems, top TV series. You can go to the top. If I'm only interested in adventure, I can click on that. This will then filter out the content and show me the adventure-based movies and TV shows. Next up, we have tdoctoruk, and really, if you are looking for one of the largest libraries of free movies, TV series, and even live TV channels, I'd say the tdoctoruk website really does take the crown in this, because as you can see directly on the homepage, they've just got so many movies, so many popular TV shows, and they also have that live TV with the fully working program guide. Here you can see some of the movies leaving soon. Lots of different content. You got black cinema, you got thrillers, you got recently added. The recently added is basically updated all the time, as these guys are constantly updating their content with newer movies, newer TV series. So even if you have seen this website before, it's always worthwhile coming back, checking out the recently added section, as I'm sure you'll find something of interest. Here we can see the very famous Batman Returns. Click on that. Click on play. And you can see, guys, literally in a couple of seconds, without seeing any kind of adverts, any kind of pop-ups, we are in Batman Returns. And that's working great. Let's back out of that. So that rounds up this edition of those top 3 movie streaming websites, all which are 100% legal, don't require any registration, and are all 100% free. But please do pay attention to my virtual location, as some of these websites may require you to have an IP address from a certain location. Now, if you are looking for the easiest way to change your IP address to access content from all over the world, right now there's a really special offer where you can get total protection for unlimited devices. Doesn't matter if you have 10 Fire Sticks or 25 Android TVs and 4 laptops, all of your devices will be covered with a single license. You can then change your IP address, change your virtual location, you can hide your online activities, you can access all of your favorite streaming applications wherever you are in the world. Really, to get all of that for just $2.19 a month, I really think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. And they also give you those 3 months free. Using my link does help support my channel, so many thanks if you want to do that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. Do leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.